In this video, I'll show you how to hide and unhide columns in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and locate the column you want to hide. Columns are labeled with letters at the top, such as A, B, C, and so on. To hide a column, click on the letter at the top of the column to select it. For example, if you want to hide column B, simply click on the letter B. Then right-click on that column header, and from the menu, select Hide Column. Once you do this, the column will disappear from view. You'll notice small arrows appear between the remaining columns, indicating that a column is hidden in that space. Now let's talk about how to unhide a column. Look for the small arrows between the column letters. For example, if column B is hidden, you'll see arrows between columns A and C. To unhide it, simply click on those arrows and the hidden column will reappear instantly. Hiding columns is especially useful when you want to clean up your view, focus on specific data, or temporarily remove unnecessary information without deleting it. So that's how to hide and unhide columns in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.